student, today practical problem solve in topic final account of banking company. In this problem solve, it is today for the university exam problem for university examination March April 2018 in this problem and continue for the firstly problem read, secondly adjustment tick mark, and thirdly problem practically solve in this board. Continue for the student. From the following trial balance of the Ganesh Bank Limited Pune as on 31st March 2020, prepare profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2020 and balance sheet as on that day. Trial balance as on 31st March 2020. This trial balance for the Ganesh Bank Limited Pune, particular debit balance and credit balance in trial balance continue. Share capital in bracket shares of rupees 100 each, credit balance 10 lakh. Next, profit and loss account as on 1st April 2019, credit balance 81,000, 5,000. Next, current deposit account, credit balance 21 lakh 44,000. Next, fixed deposit account, credit balance 23 lakh 43,000. Next, saving bank account, credit balance 11 lakh 7,000. Next, director fees, debit balance 9,300. Next, audit fees amount, debit amount 8,800. Next, furniture, debit balance 85,900, debit balance. Next, interest, credit balance 7,04,000. Next, interest paid, debit balance 4,04,000. Next, commission and exchange, credit balance 2,03,000. Next, investment, debit balance 18,40,000. Next, branch adjustment account, debit balance 2,04,000. Next, postage, debit balance 4,100. Next, printing and stationery, debit balance 2,800. Next, premises, debit balance 17 lakh 3,000. Next, salary, debit balance 67,000. Next, law charges, debit balance 5,300. Next, provident fund contribution, debit balance 11,200. Next, cash in hand, debit balance 2,07,000. Next, bills discounted and purchase, debit balance 61,000. Next, unexpired insurance, debit balance 2,700. Next, reserve fund, credit balance 72,000. Next, contingency reserve, credit balance 7,000. Next, loan, cash credit and overdraft, debit balance 30 lakh 49,000. Trial balance total, debit and credit both total 76 lakh 71,500. Repeat, trial balance total 76 lakh 61,500. Debit and credit total. Continue. Adjustment. First adjustment, rebate on bill discounted amounted to rupees 7,100. Next adjustment, provide rupees 28,500 for doubtful debts. Third adjustment, provide rupees 10,000 for taxation. Next adjustment, provide depreciation on premises rupees 90,000 and on furniture rupees 8,000. Next adjustment, last, the bank has accepted bill worth rupees 3 lakh on behalf of customer against the security of rupees 4 lakh lodged with the bank. This problem continue. And second problem reading, and secondly tick mark. Your problem trial balance is tick mark. And adjustment, firstly furniture tick mark. Interest credit balance is your tick mark. Next branch adjustment account tick mark. Premises reserve of fund your tick mark. And last loan cash credit and overdraft your tick mark. And next continue all form number A, form number B, and all schedules, schedule number 1 to schedule number 16 in this draw, and all posting for your all schedule by schedule, and all schedule in this compulsory all format. This schedule by schedule compulsory write down for your notebook. This is my limitation here, blackboard. Your notebook, this full format compulsory write. Continue step by step. First, the Ganesh Bank Limited Pune. In this Ganesh Bank Limited Pune, in this trial balance, all entries in this continue posting first schedule by schedule. Okay, start. First, share capital in bracket shares of rupees 100 each, credit balance 10 lakh. In this share capital transfer, first schedule number first capital. Schedule number first capital. Here, schedule number first capital, share capital in bracket 10,000 shares of rupees 100 each. Outer amount 10 lakh. Outer amount 10 lakh. First posting here. Second, profit and loss account on 1st April 2019. In this profit and loss account, transfer or form number B, profit and loss account, major point third under profit and loss account, credit balance 81,500. It is mentioned for form number B here. Major point third, profit and loss account, profit and loss account. Outer amount mentioned 81,500. Next, current deposit account. Current deposit. In this posting, schedule number 3, deposit. Here, schedule number 3, deposit. Current deposit amount 21,44,000. Here mentioned. Next, fixed deposit account amount 23,43,000. This deposit mentioned for deposit schedule here. Fixed deposit amount 23,43,000. Here mentioned. Next, saving bank deposit. This saving bank deposit or bank deposit, deposit transfer for schedule number 3. Amount credit balance 11,07,000. Here mentioned saving bank deposit 11,07,000. Schedule number 3. Next, director fees. In the director fees in the bank expenses, transfer code, which is the schedule number 16. Operating expenses, director fees amount 9,300. Here, schedule number 16. Operating expenses under director fees amount 9,300. Here mentioned director fees is bank expenses. Next, audit fees. Audit fees is bank expenses, operating expenses. Transfer book schedule number 16. Amount here, schedule number 16, audit fee. Amount 8,800 here mentioned. Next, furniture. In this furniture means bank fixed asset. Bank fixed asset. Amount 85,900. Furniture transfer between schedule number 10 fixed asset here. Furniture. In inner. Furniture this adjustment. Furniture in this adjustment. Adjustment number 4. Report adjustment number 4. Provide depreciation on premises rupees 90,000 and on furniture rupees 8,000. Furniture depreciation on furniture 8,000 depreciation here. Your furniture amount is inner mention 85,900 and adjustment for the depreciation here less depreciation 8,000 here mention first segment here outer amount furniture outer amount 77,900 and second event is this depreciation transfer for operating expenses here depreciation of furniture amount 8,000 here mentioned second event schedule number 16. Okay, next interest credit balance. Interest means credit balance, interest received. It is credit balance. Bank received for the interest. Here amount 7,04,000. It is bank income, bank profit, bank income. It is interest received. In the transfer for schedule number 13. Here schedule number 13 interest earned and interest received for adjustment. In this adjustment, here mentioned for inner. Here interest in bracket inner amount 7,04,000. 7,04,000. And first adjustment, which interest on first adjustment is continue. Rebate on bill discounted amounted to rupees 7,100. 7,100 in this discount for the bank discount. In this provision for the bank. And first effect in this rebate for the discount for the bank. Here interest received this rebate for the discounted. First effect here minus 7,100. It is interest received. In this outer amount 6,96,900. It is here first effect. And second effect for the bank provision. Bank provision under bank provision. Second effect return on bill discounted. Schedule number 5. Schedule number 5. Here other liabilities and provision. Here rebate on bill discounted. Rebate on bill discounted. Second effect. This first adjustment. Here amount 7,100. Okay. Next, interest paid. Debit balance. Interest paid in the bank expenses. Debit balance. Amount 4,04,000. It is a posting for the interest paid. Schedule number 15. Interest expended. Here schedule number 15. Interest expended. Here interest paid amount 4,04,000. Here posting. Okay. Next, continue. Commission and exchange. Credit balance 2,03,000. Commission and exchange. In this bank income. Bank income. Here transfer of schedule number 14. Schedule number 14 here. Other income here. Commission and exchange. Amount 2,03,000. Here mentioned schedule number 14. Next, investment. It is investment in this bank property. Transfer of schedule number 8. Here, schedule number 8 investment. Investment under investment. Outer amount 18,40,000. Here mentioned. Only one effect. Next, branch adjustment account. Branch adjustment. Bank related other branches for the other asset for the bank. Other asset for the bank. Amount debit balance 2,04,000 transfer for schedule number 11. Here, schedule number 11, other asset, branch adjustment account, amount 2,04,000. Here mentioned or under schedule number 11, other asset. Next, postage, bank expenses, bank under and bank related expenses, transfer for operating expenses. Here transfer postage, operating expenses amount 4,100. 4,100. It is bank expenses. Next, printing and stationery, bank expenses amount 2,400. Sorry, 2,800. Printing and stationery bank expenses, transfer for schedule number 16. Here, printing and stationery amount 2,800. Next posting, premises. Premises is bank fixed asset. Premises, debit balance 16,03,000. Bank fixed asset. Here, premises this inner for premises on adjustment. Premises on adjustment. Read for the adjustment. Number 4. Provide depreciation on premises rupees 90,000. It is a depreciation for the premises. Here mentioned premises inner 70,03,000. In this adjustment less depreciation. Here amount 90,000 is first paid minus and outer amount 30,000. Here first effect and adjustment second effect, transfer in this bank expenses, transfer for operating expenses. Here depreciation on premises amount 90,000. Amount 90,000 is the second effect. Okay, continue. Salary, bank expenses, salary amount 67,000. This bank related and bank under expenses, transfer for operating expenses. Here salary amount 67,000. Here mentioned operating expenses, this bank under expenses. Next, law charges. Law charges in this bank under law charge. It is bank under expenses. Amount 5,300. Transfer for schedule number 16. Operating expenses. Here law charges amount 5,300. Here mentioned. Next, provident fund contribution. Provident fund contribution in this bank related fund and fund related expenses. This all expenses transfer for all schedule number 16. Transfer for schedule number 16. Here provident fund contribution amount 11,200. Here mentioned bank under expenses. Next, cash in hand. Cash in hand, bank property, bank real cash. It is transfer of schedule number 6. Schedule number 6. Here cash and balance with Reserve Bank of India. Here mentioned cash in hand amount 2,07,000. Here mentioned. Next, bills discounted and purchase. Bill discounted and purchase, transfer for schedule number 9. Advances. Advances under bank discounted and purchase. Amount 71,000. Here transfer for schedule number 9. Advances under. Here bill purchase and discounted. Amount is 61,000. 61,000 here mentioned. Next. Unexpired insurance. Unexpired insurance in this bank other asset. Unexpired insurance. Bank under other asset. In the transfer for other asset. Here. Schedule number 11. Unexpired insurance. Unexpired insurance. Amount 2,700. Bank other asset. Next, reserve fund. Reserve fund transfer. Option number 2. Reserve and surplus. Amount credit balance 72,000 here. Reserve and surplus. Reserve fund. Amount 72,000 here. And this reserve fund for the continued loss adjustment is included. In adjustment over here mentioned for the inner reserve fund. Okay. Next, contingency reserve. contingency reserve amount 7,000. All reserve mentioned for schedule number 2 here. Contingency reserve outer amount 7,000. Here 7,000. Okay. Next, loan, cash credit, and overdraft. Here transfer for schedule number 9 advances. Here advances, loan, cash credit, and overdraft. It is inner amount for mentioned inner, and in this related adjustment here. Okay, amount 30,94,000 here you can mention, and which are the related adjustment in adjustment number second here loan cash credit second adjustment rate provide rupees 28,500 for doubtful dates in this provision for the loan cash credit and overdraft. In this adjustment for RDD effect, it is here mentioned for the minus, and second effect for the profit and loss account. Second effect for the profit and loss account under major point third. Okay, firstly here loan cash credit and overdraft place RDD 28,500 here minus, and outer amount loan cash credit and overdraft outer amount 30,20,500, and second effect for RDD. Second effect here form number B here major point second provision and contingency here RDD amount 28,500. Okay, second effect here. Continue for the all posting this all entries in this year. Next, continue step by step. First adjustment in this complete. Second adjustment is complete. Third adjustment provide for 10,000 for taxation. In this provision, bank under provision taxation. In this first effect, schedule number 5, other liabilities and provision. Here first effect taxation, and second effect profit and loss account, major point second under. Here mention provision for taxation amount 10,000. Okay, and second effect here form number B provision for and contingency here taxation amount 10,000. Outer amount in this addition outer amount 38,500. Third adjustment complete. Next, four adjustment already completed, and last adjustment the bank has accepted bill worth rupees 3 lakh on behalf of customer against the security of rupees 4 lakh lodged with the bank. In this adjustment, it is contingency. This customer related for the all bill for the 4 lakh or bill in this secured and again for the all bill 4 lakh in this contingency, but only accepted bill for 3 lakh. In this entry only 3 lakh, not 4 lakh, only one entry. It is contingency. It is contingency under for the entry only on bill accept for 3 lakh and transfer for the contingency here, contingency liability here, acceptance, endorsement and other obligation amount 3 lakh. Only one effect, 3 lakh effect, no 4 lakh, only 3 lakh effect. In this bill accepted only 3 lakh, no, not accept for 4 lakh, only bill accept in this 3 lakh in entry for the only one entry 3 lakh, acceptance, endorsement and other obligation 3 lakh. In this all entries, all adjustment are here mentioned, and all entries in this schedule by schedule. Continue. Here entries mentioned. Until all schedule are closed. Schedule number 2, it is lastly closed. Continue schedule by schedule are closed. As secondly closed, form number B, and form number B closed After thirdly close schedule number second, and lastly close or balance sheet. Here continue our schedule close step by step. First schedule capital total 10 lakh, and schedule close, and schedule number third close, third total 55 lakh 94,000 are schedule close. Borrowing nil. Next schedule number 5 are close, total amount 70,100. Next schedule close, schedule number 6 total 2,07,000. Next schedule number 7 are close in this nil. Next schedule close investment total 18,40,000. Next schedule advances, here advances total 30,81,500. Next schedule number 10 are close, total amount 16,90,900. Next schedule close, schedule number 11, total 2,06,700. Next schedule close contingency total 3 lakh. Next schedule close, schedule number 13, total amount 6,96,900. Next schedule close, schedule number 14, total 2,03,000. Next schedule number 15 are close, total amount 4,04,000. And last schedule close 2,06,500. All schedule are closed, and schedule by schedule total transfer for profit and loss account and balance sheet. Here all total this sequence was schedule by schedule we have mentioned. It is continued. First schedule total we have mentioned, and second schedule are pending total. Schedule number 3 mentioned 4, 5 we have mentioned, and schedule number 6 mentioned 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is here continuous or total schedule total we have mentioned. And secondly, profit and loss account schedule by schedule amount total we have mentioned, and schedule number 15, 16 we have mentioned. And continue income total or income total we have mentioned 8,99,900. It is income total. And second, expenditure are total. Here expenditure total 6,45,400. Okay. Major point second are here close, income and expenditure. Next, major point third, profit and loss. Okay, here mentioned, and it is pending. Here net profit calculated. Net profit calculated formula: income minus expenditure is equal to net profit. Here total income minus expenditure 8,99,900 minus 6,45,900 is equal to 2,54,500. In this calculated for current year net profit, here calculated for current year net profit 2,54,500. Okay. In this year third point are close. Total amount here mentioned 3,36,000. And last major point, appropriation under transfer to statutory reserve. In this statutory reserve or current year net profit on 20% in this year mentioned. And second effect, transfer or schedule number second, reserve and surplus. Okay, continue here. Transfer to statutory reserve, current year net profit calculated 2,54,400. 500 here mentioned net profit 2,44,500 on 20%. 20% calculated amount 50,900. It is calculated for current year net profit is on 20%. Here mention as second effect transfer of schedule number second reserve and surplus. Here reserve of one, it is addition amount 20%. Here 50,900 and outer total 1,22,900. This second effect and continue. So the profit and loss account are closed. Here balance transfer to balance sheet. It is last. This balance figure we are calculated for balance figure. Balance transfer to profit statutory reserve. It is balance sheet. Here calculated amount 2,85,100. In this balance figure calculated amount here and here total 3,36,000. 3,36,000. Here amount calculated. Here amount is calculated for the total minus 50,900. It is calculated for the 2,85,100 in this balance carry transfer through balance sheet in this bracket balancing figure. And second effect transfer function number second. Yeah, profit and loss account 2,85,000. And lastly schedule number 2 are closed 4,15,000. And it is total transfer of schedule number A. Here schedule number A. Balance sheet here reserve and surplus schedule number second. Here amount 4,15,000 and balance sheet are closed. Here all capital and liabilities here total 70,26,100 and all asset total here 70,26,100. It is balance sheet are tally. In this problem continue. Any problem, student? No problem? Okay.